What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. It's Marisabel, and today we're gonna go ahead and do the 370Z headlights. We're gonna restore them. As you guys can see, look how nasty these things look. It looks a lot worse in person, and then this side as well. Can't really see because of the glare. So hopefully once I restore them, the car can look so much better. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and today I'm also going to be using this product, which I got from AutoZone, and let's see if it actually works. Everything's in there. I have to clean the headlights or wash them or something like that, let it dry, and then start applying the product. So like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's go ahead and do it. And it's hot, so y'all better like the video because I'm sweating already. All right, cloth, a bucket of water and soap, just to put, clean it. So we're just gonna, do the easy way.
You're not gonna wipe like the bucket first with water?
I did. That's clean.
No, I mean like you're not gonna wipe the headlight?
What you mean? No, I really don't understand sometimes. What you mean?
Wipe your headlight with water.
There is water and soap in here. You just want me to put like water
On the car.
on the car? That means I gotta bring the hose over here
Okay.
and put it. Would you be nice to just drag it over here? Thanks. Y'all good? Y'all can see me? Okay, now we just let it dry. Oh my gosh, it looks clean already. No, it's like, and then I forgot to mention, we're gonna put tape all around here so it doesn't mess up the wrap, and of course if you don't have a wrap, mess up the paint. So we're gonna do it on both sides.
Why your tape look like this?
What do you mean? You need this type of tape.
Yeah, but
It's a blue tape.
tape looks so dirty, like it's been outside for.
Well, yeah, it has been, around. So you can use this size or you could use that size. But
Do you know how to do it?
yeah, do you want to do it?
Let me see if you know how to tape a car.
Okay. Look, that's good.
That is.
No, it's supposed to be like that. Because if I put it on top of here, then
That's good.
that's the headlight. So make sure when you put the tape, you put it, but you make sure you put it in that like crease. So like, yeah, that strip right there. Don't put it on the headlight. And then we're gonna do it all around. Do this side, Sammy's gonna do the other side. Let's see who does it better.
Yep. I actually been working on cars.
Oh, I didn't think you would like this type of stuff.
I did more maintenance.
Okay, Sammy did okay. Look, terrible. Look, look, you put the tape on the headlight. Terrible.
Well, we can tell, yo, we work at a wrap shop, you getting fired. It's gonna take you a day to do a wrap.
But the slower you do something, the better it comes out.
Bro.
Why you want to rush it?
I ain't rushing, but like, damn, like, I've been done, edited. I'm about to start detailing it just because you're still taking forever. Taping your head.
I don't know. That's you. You put it.
I didn't put it.
You put it because I felt something on my head.
I was nowhere near you.
You went like this. I should wrap my car one day. Maybe for the channel. One day, this car. Who knows? One day. Not anytime soon. Lens compound on there with a cloth. And we're gonna do like a firm press. So we're gonna do one headlight at a time. Let's go ahead and see how this comes out. Do I put it on?
She's asking me.
I don't know. Put it on here. Don't put it directly on the headlight.
Ain't it crazy how my hoopty is older than your car and my headlights is fresh?
I know. My Altima too.
Nah, I'm lying. I changed mine.
Your headlights?
Yeah.
Oh, so you never clean them.
I don't know. I ain't gonna clean them. It's only $100.
You're fucking lazy. Alright, we're gonna do this other step. We're gonna apply the lubricant on the sponge or this #1 pad, and then we're gonna put it on the headlight as well. Oh yeah, I know y'all can't see that dirt, but I see it. So we're gonna flip the other side and do the same thing. But you wanna make sure this stays wet, the pad and the lights at the same time. You don't wanna dry it out. Now we're gonna use the compound again, same way how I did the first time. So I realized something. So you guys want to leave this compound on for about a few minutes, maybe a minute, 2, I don't know. It just depends how nasty your lights are. So I'm just gonna leave it on just like that. Let it soak up and then just wipe it down with a cloth. So yep, we'll see when it's done to use these two, and then pretty much that should clear the headlights. Did this side, and whoa, you guys see that? That's already clear. Like, that's good. So I'm doing this one again because it's still yellow. Look at that.
Came out cleaner.
Clean, way better. My happy dance. When I get something done correctly, that's how I dance. Bendy, come here. Come. Say hi to the camera, girl. Look. She a big girl. What's that, y'all? What's that, yeah? We're gonna now just wipe down with a dry towel.
I look a lot better.
Ooh, it definitely does. So yeah, the trick to this is you're supposed to keep that compound in there and let it soak up.
Even on your bumper?
On your bumper. That'll wash off. Okay, but it looks so much better. Now I have to do it before and after because that looks crazier.
How much horsepower does it give you?
What?
How much horsepower does it give you?
What you mean?
Cleaning your headlights.
About like 400.
Damn. So how much you make now? 410?
Yeah, pretty much 420. And we wiped that down, both sides. Now we're gonna put the base coat wipe on both. You gotta do it fast. And then we're gonna put the sealing wipe again on both. So you gotta do it fast and it'll be done. So let's do these last 2 steps, and hopefully I can show you guys. It's raining right now, which sucks, but show you guys like on the outside, because inside here is still dark. Now again, we're gonna go with the sealing wipe. And And there we go. So it's not gonna be 100% because I don't have a buffer. So if you guys want to use a buffer for yours, go ahead. I just used everything that was in the box, but I mean, it looks 10 times better. I'm gonna put a before and after, and yep, you guys tell me, was it good or bad? Did it make a difference or not? But I think it really did from my point of view. Probably the camera doesn't capture it. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope that helps you out if anyone needs any light restoration on any car. But like I said, I'll catch you guys all next time.